Fucking rubber cement spilling my fucking tools, for fuck's sake. Let's let that chooch and clean off a little bit. Now I know what you're thinking. You probably have no idea where I'm going with the video, or even my channel for that matter. Well, neither do fucking I. Send it. Oh yeah, the old Massey loves a little bit of ketchup. Alright, just got back from the gas station. Meow. Pussy. Always gotta have a pussy shot in my video. Anyways, anybody's familiar if you own a diesel truck, when you go to fill it up, just... and it's full again. But anyways, check this out. Got a 30 pack of PBR for 9 freaking dog hairs, man. I don't know if it was a price flub, they was moving, whatever. Beats me, but got nutrition for days. So anybody's familiar running implements, every once in a while a weed catches a lunch pin. She goes flying right the fuck off, never to be seen ever again, and then your pin falls out, and all of a sudden your bush hog's flopping around like a limp dick. You don't want that. So, got these. It's got the chain, so when this does go flying the fuck off, it's attached, so you can at least find this. And then we'll get some chain attached to this hole, so that way if everything does fall out, I can find everything. Love them in time. May need 2 pliers for this. Oh, it's going. Sick. Just for you, Neil. A little bit of Myers wrench action. If your jaws don't round off the bolt head, hammer sure will. Alright, checking the power steering fluid on this thing. And it's got, I don't know how much fucking fluid it's got. And I get the flashlight out. Alright, so I added some ATF to the power steering pump. I don't know how much it's supposed to hold, but I know how much is in there now. Any piece of information. Alright, today I'm doing a little bit of a tool review. And no, I'm not talking about greasy minor wrenches or shitty old Leathermans or Maglites and, you know, cotter pins and everything else I do. We are going to talk about another kind of multi-tool. And that multi-tool today is this old greasy 1996 231 Massey Ferguson. And I'm telling you what, she's been a jewel. So I got this greasy, dirty old whore early this spring. Massey Ferguson 231. Got that at the Woods Bush Hog for, it was, well, rounded up about 7,000 dog hairs. And this is a 96 model. The Bush Hog was actually a 2011. Hardly had any hours on it at all. And this one here, she's got about 4,000 hours. But it mows, it plows, it discs, it'll blade. It does. Well, it's a multi-tool, basically. Hell of a damn good tool. It's got a 152 cubic inch, 3-cylinder Perkin diesel. Or actually, wait, was that 154 cubic inches? Ah, for fuck's sakes. Alright, so I had to hop on the computer there, dial up the old internet, and looked up some specs on this thing. It's 152 cubic inches. She's running about 35 horsepower. Yeah, which is 2.5 liters for you metric guys. But yeah, who knew? You can look up cool stuff up on the internet besides porn and trolling Junk from Work's live stream. But I've got about 200 acres under her belly now. Easy on fuel, which is good because diesel is expensive. Actually, you know, off-road diesel here in the States anyways is way fucking cheaper than gasoline. But on-road diesel, yeah. But yeah, it's kind of a quick review. It's got power steering. It's got diff lock. No, it's been a very, very good tractor to me so far. So anybody wants or is wondering about a 231 Massey Ferguson, I've yet to have any problems with it. Knock on wood. But yeah, if you're thinking about buying one of these and it's got, you know, low showers, whatever, I say get one. Been a very good tractor.